Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to DevOps training, and today we are going to discuss about the GIT alias. So in this particular training session we will see how we can basically create the aliases in Git. Okay, how we can create the shorter way for long commands, right? So for that I need to switch to my directory, right? And over here I have a project starter web. So I will open it and open up my terminal over here, right? So till now we have seen few commands, right? In last session we have seen a command git log. So suppose we have a command like this, git log hyphen hyphen all hyphen hyphen graph, right? Hyphen hyphen decorate hyphen hyphen one line, right? Once I will there is a typo error. Let me figure out, right? So once I will enter this command, I'm getting output like this. Okay, so you can see here I'm getting all the commits, right? And it's in the graph manner. I'm getting the strings over here and the commit ID, and they all are decorated in single line, right? Now suppose I want to basically create the alias of this command. Suppose you want to get these kind of outputs every time or very frequently in your working day, then definitely this is a painful area for you to type the complete command, and there should be some kind of typo error as I have previously, or you might be not interested to type the complete command, right? So what is the way to get rid of these kind of issues? So the way we can avoid these kind of issues is we can create the alias of this particular command in Git, so that when we will use our alias the shorter way, then definitely this particular command will execute and we will get the desired output, right? So for this what we need to do, we need to basically update the configuration. Okay, we need to update the configuration file. Okay, so to create alias, add alias at git global configuration so that I can use it. Okay, so how can I basically update the configuration, right? So there's a way. Type a command git. Okay, let me clear it out. Type a command git config, right, global. After then put alias dot the shorter way what you want for this particular command, the shorter word or the way you want for this particular command, you need to type that word. Okay, so I'm going to type suppose history, right, space, then I need to provide hyphen hyphen over here, then I need to provide the complete command. Okay, but we need to skip the git part. We just need to provide the command. So the command is log hyphen hyphen all hyphen hyphen graph, right, hyphen hyphen decorate hyphen hyphen one line, right? So this is the command. So we are basically editing the configuration file. We are saying git config global level alias. We are using some alias over here. Okay, and this is the alias what we are using. The history is the alias what we are using for this command, right? And please make sure you are not mentioning git over here, right? Press enter. Okay, now type the command git history. See, I'm getting the same output, right? I'm getting the same output. Earlier this basically this output was not present, right? Earlier with this command, the git history, this output was not present or not possible because this history command was not available in the git, right? So what we have did, we just created the alias of this particular command with this particular history command. Now git history command is available for me in my git repository, in my git project, right? Suppose I want to add this particular command. Suppose I did some mistake. Now I want to edit this particular command. Then how can I do it? Okay, so open your configuration file in your text editor. Okay, so I'm using the Sublime, so I'm going to use the Sublime. If you are using Notepad, then we have already seen how we can use the, you are using the Notepad++ on Windows, then we have already seen how we can use the Notepad++ to edit the files in Git. If you are using Mate in Mac, then you simply type mate, then the file name as I am typing. So sublime tilde slash dot get config, right? See, over here I am getting the alias. This is the alias and this is the command. And suppose now I don't want this particular graph. I want to avoid this particular feature, right? I don't want this graph. So simply save your file, close your file, close your editor as well, okay? And execute the command get history again. See, that asterisk part is missing. Earlier that asterisk part and a simple graph was available with my command. See over here. That asterisk part is available over here. Now that asterisk part is missing in my command, which means the command is being modified. Okay, clear out the console, and suppose I want to again add that particular part, right? So I will again open the file and add that part over here, like save the file, close the file and close the terminal as well, right? Execute the command get history again and see I'm getting the same output. So guys, this is the way how basically you can basically update, or how you can basically create the alias in the Git. Okay, you can create more than one alias in the Git. I just show you the way how you can basically create the aliases in the Git. So thank you guys, thanks for your time.